Welcome to 912 Cassandra Avenue in Huntsville. I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Travis.
And we're Hammer and Sales. We want to take you on this after walkthrough with us because this is such a good house.
Yeah, this is probably going to be one of the best before and after videos that we've done, just because the change is so dramatic.
Well, and we also did some during walkthroughs, and I know it got a lot of people talking because apparently this house, the layout, was pretty common. So this house was originally built in 1966. It was a 3-bed, 2-bath with 1,750 square feet, and now it is a 4-bed, 3-bath with 2,200 square feet. So come on in. Where I am standing used to be a wall splitting this house in half. Up front was the living room and dining room, and in the back was a den and an L-shaped kitchen. As you can see, we tore this thing down. We just have these really nice smooth ceilings, and obviously we turned this into a kitchen of every buyer's dreams. A nice dining area over here, and what would probably act as a formal living room since we turned a different room into a family room. We added a gas stove. We added this massive island covered in shiplap, beautiful marble countertops, oversized pulls for all of the oversized cabinetry. We did a counter depth fridge, which is tucked away next to a cute little coffee bar area with storage for coffee mugs and stemware. And we love how this space turned out. We didn't want everything to be so gray and white, so we added some wood tones, not only in this beautiful original hardwood floor, but also in these few light fixtures here in this main area. I'm currently standing in the entry to what we like to call the mother-in-law suite. We bookended this cased opening with 2 pantries. To my right, we've got a laundry room, and to my left, we've added a mother-in-law suite with a bedroom and a bathroom.
One of the advantages of moving the laundry room from the front of the house to the back of the house is it allowed us to add this exterior door for access to the driveway. The laundry room is equipped with tankless water heater for endless supply of hot water. We made it wide enough to put washer and dryer next to each other where they were opposing before. We also added some board and batten with some hooks for a nice drop zone.
This mother-in-law suite was added to this house specifically for this buyer, making this house a 4-bed, 3-bath when originally it was a 3-bed, 2-bath. Although it's a little tight, it will fit a queen bed comfortably. We've measured, and we were able to add a full bathroom, which is actually pretty spacious.
This beautiful kitchen opens up to this wonderful dining room. One of the key things in this dining room you'll notice is this buffet. This wonderful buffet is actually the result of a happy mistake. We framed all of this in for both bathrooms, and once the framing was up, we realized that the shower was going to be about 30 inches wide. We don't do 30-inch wide showers. We bumped the wall out 12 inches to make the master shower larger, which gave us the perfect space to do some more cabinetry for storage, some more marble for a buffet, and this live edge, solid oak floating shelf.
The original wall that split this great room ended about right here. There was a hallway where I'm standing, but there was also another hallway right here. We ended up pushing this bathroom into what was a hallway. Continuing down the hallway, we've got 2 bedrooms right here that will share this bath. And there used to be a closet right here, but we actually took this out and added it to the master closet. We were really lucky because every single bedroom, except for the one that we added, had original hardwood floors. So these floors got a coat of beautiful stain. It's actually a mix. It's 2 parts provincial, 1 part carbon gray, because I know people will ask. We added a coat of aloof gray to the walls, and we got Kindle charcoal on all of the interior doors. Yep. Now let's go see the showstopper. This master bathroom used to consist of a 3x3 shower, a 24-inch vanity, and a toilet. It was the most cramped master bathroom we had ever seen. We pushed this entire bathroom back behind what used to be the hall bathroom, and then some. The second window that you see in this space actually used to be in the hall bathroom. By enlarging this space, we were able to add a 60-inch double vanity, as well as this massive oversized shower with 2 shower heads and a huge niche in the back.
The new family room used to be a sunroom. It had all walls of windows. It actually stepped down about 2 steps from the main house, and it was an uninsulated, unheated and cooled space. We built new walls, insulated the walls, raised the floor up, added an HVAC unit. We built out this beautiful shiplap fireplace with gas logs, another solid oak mantle, and also this wonderful tile and a herringbone pattern, and a sliding door which leads out to the beautiful pool. There it is.
So there it is. Do you love it as much as I do? Do you love it as much as I do?
I do love it. This job went really smooth. The product came out better than I thought. Usually I have a pretty good grasp of what the end product's going to come out like. This one came out better for the first time than what I had in my head.
Yeah. I love everything about this house, and this was a little bit of a unique situation because we did have a buyer in place, and so I tried really hard to include her on some of these decisions. Usually it's you and me designing a house, and whatever the end product is, we decide.
Right.
But this one was a little different. The buyer chose the wall color, which is beautiful, and we're totally going to use it again. It's called Aloof Gray. It's from Sherwin-Williams. They also chose this beyond gorgeous marble countertops, which you see in the kitchen, in the buffet area, and in the hall bathroom. You know, we involved the buyer on some of the other key decisions, like tile for the master bathroom, as well as this beautiful herringbone tile that we put in the family room.
It's a cool situation because the buyer, the new homeowner, congratulations, but the homeowner made a lot of decisions. But if you just walked into this house, you could tell it was one of our houses.
Oh,
I mean, we did the fat trim that we did the live edge mantle that we like to do, the wood fixtures. I mean, it looks, I'm proud of it. It's a house that looks like we built it, because we did, but it's also a house that we built for someone specific, which we don't often do.
Right, this just proves that if you want a house designed your way, but also with us, we can do that. Yeah. I have to say that the exterior of this house is also one of my favorites. I love painted brick in general, but
we haven't painted brick in a while.
We haven't, and this house just was begging for it.
Neighbors were coming by as the brick was painted, and we started putting up the shutters and the front post that everybody's asking about. It's cedar that we planed smooth, and then we stained it with a coffee stain. But while we were doing those few things, all the neighbors were coming by and saying thank you for making the house look so much better. So I think it fits right in. This neighborhood is phenomenal. It fits right in here. Every other house is very well put together, and it blends in and stands out at the same time.
We're just really, all in all, super proud of this house. I've said it once and I'll say it a million times. It's my favorite to date. Everything that we did about this house, everything we did to this house, I was so pleased when the buyer said, yeah, that's a great idea. I love that.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Because it was super fun to design. And like Travis said, it went really smoothly, and not all of the houses do that.
Yeah.
So this one was really nice to us.
It was a great house. They always fight back a little, but this one fought back less than the others, actually.
That's true. So that's it.
That's it. So this one's done, and another one is real close.
About a week and a half, maybe?
Probably a week and a half. We have another one to show you guys as well.
Yeah. So
Awesome.
Stay tuned and let us know if you have any projects that you would like help with, or if you have houses you would like to sell. Because we're always looking for the next one.
All right, guys. Thanks.
Thanks for joining.